Hi! I miss you guys every time, and so I'm so glad to get to see you again. Here we are. All right, so like I said, we are going to do a math activity and a literacy activity. I think it's just so important during this time to keep our brains flowing and going. All right, it's important. All right, so let's see here. Is this the one? Nope. Is this the one? Hey, there it is. All right, got to reload this page. Okay, so today we are going to look at, oh, I lost it again. Is that it? Oh my goodness gracious. I know you love me, bears. Here we go. We're going to start with a math activity, all right? You know how before we've talked about a number line, how we start with 0 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Well, as you can see here on the screen, here's a number line, and I need your help figuring out what goes in there. So we are going to place the numbers in the correct sequence. So you see where they have a whoops. What kind of mark is that? It's an exclamation mark, right? No, goodness, no. That is actually a question mark. That means we have a question. What is it? All right, so let's look at our line together. We have 1, 2. What comes next? There you go. 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 7. 8, 9. Ding, 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 ding. 10. All right, there we go, 10. All right, now this number line right here is actually going to count backwards. So we're starting with the big number 20, and we're going to go backwards towards 0, or in this case, towards 11. All right, so here we go. See if you can follow along with me. Ready? 20, 19. What's next? 18. Bing. 17, 16, 15. What is that? Of course you know that. 14, 13, 12. Ding, 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 ding. What number is that? 11. Way to go, bears. Hey, since we're in the spirit of numbers right now, let's see if we can count backwards all the way from 20 to 0. Here we go. Let's start. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Is 0 a number? Sure is, even though it represents nothing, 0 is most definitely still a number. All right, so let's look at our next activity. Here we go. All right, so we're going to complete the pattern by dragging the correct number over the empty circle. And I am so sorry, my phone is just making all sorts of noises right here. We're going to turn that off. Apologies. All right, so do you remember how we count by twos? Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We're used to counting to 20 because that's how many friends we have in our class. All right, so let's do the same thing, filling in these circles with the question mark with a number down here that matches our counting. We're counting by twos. Ready? 10. Oh, yeah, this one's starting at 10. 10, 12, 14, 16. Which one of these numbers comes next? 16, 18. There you go. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, bears, you got it. All right. Okay, so those are a couple games today. They may work on the lesson plans. Again, mind you, I have had some issues getting these links to work, but I think we'll get better at it. So if not, I'll give you something else to do. All right, so that's our math activity. All right, that's not the one I wanted, but let's do, I was kind of excited about this one for you. It's an activity from a thing called Jolly Phonics. Now, I do not think this link is working for you guys, but I will gladly play it with you because I just like spending time with you. I miss you. So here we go. Hello, Miss Katie's class, taking you to the class for today's literacy lesson. It's loading, loading, loading. Hey, there it is. Whoa, there's a letter that went missing. There it is. Okay, and we have a couple more pictures that are waiting to load. There they are. All right, guys. So today we are going to look at beginning sounds. So let's say these letters together and the sound they make. S, S, okay? A, T, I, P, remember? Not pa. Remember that? Not pa, but p, and N. Mm. All right, so let's go through our pictures here and see if we can match the beginning sound with the letter. Let's start right here. What is this? This is an apple. All right, what letter should it go under? The floating apple goes A. Apple. Of course. All right, how about this? Roar. What animal is this? That is a tiger. Where do you think it goes? Oh, we kind of froze. Oh, phooey. All right, but that's okay. We can still talk it through for a second. All right, tiger. What letter do you think that will go under? I'm sure you already know. T, 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 T. Tiger. Oh, my lands. Okay, well, okay. I know you love me, bears. This is always fun. All right, well, while my computer is continuing to have its issues, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding. All right, we could still look at these pictures here. All right, this is a snake. And what sound do you hear at the beginning of snake? And that is the letter ding, 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 S. And looky here, we can send our tiger under the T. See, we knew it would all work out. I had faith. All right. What about this? This is a net. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Did you guess it? N, net. There we go. Okay. How about this pink fella here? Pig. What sound do you hear at the beginning? P, p, p. There we go. And what about this? This is a jar of ink. What sound do you hear at the beginning of ink? Eh, eh. There we go. We have one more round. Here we go. Okay. What are these? This is a set of teeth. What letter should that go under? T, t, T. All right. How about this? Do you know what this is? We talked about it a little bit when we talked about homes. This is an igloo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of igloo? Eh, eh. I. Yeah, there we go. Might ink over a little. All right, what about this fella? This is we're going to call this an alligator. Ah, ah, what letter? A, alligator. All right, how about this right here? This is a spider, and that beginning sound is S. All right, we have a couple more to go. What about this? We're going to call this a paintbrush. What do you hear at the beginning of paintbrush? Which is the letter P? And last but certainly not least, this is the number 9. What sound do you hear at the beginning of 9? Mm, 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 which is the letter N. Bravo! Way to go, Bears. You know what? That was probably so easy peasy for some of you. I'm going to have to figure out how to up the ante a little bit. All right, and make things a little bit harder. I bet we can do that. You are up to the challenge. All right, guys. Well, it's that time. I'm going to sign off for the day. I hope you can sign up for yoga class. You have to go online and sign up for that. I think there's limited spots available. So jump on that. And you can look forward to Miss Michelle this afternoon and Miss Mimi this evening. All right. They love you and we all miss you. All right. I wish you well, Bears. Bye.